Greetings everyone, Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. But this time we're gonna compare the Tank 3 with the RE20. And with a little bit of tweaking, we can try to make the Tank 3 close to the RE20. I know we're not gonna be able to do exactly the same sound, but we're gonna try to make it closer with some post-processing. So I think it's gonna be interesting to stay tuned and to hear if we can make this microphone similar to the Tank 3. I know this is impossible, but some people can do that with some post-processing. So as you can hear right now, this is the RE20, no EQ is being added. This is the raw audio straight from the box. And how the sound is, let me know in the comments below. And now let's check the Tank 3. If you're interested about the Tank 3, I already did a couple of videos. I'm gonna link it in the descriptions down below the like button, so make sure to check that. Now Tank 3. And now you're listening to Tank 3 with some post-processing. So let me try to speak a little bit far away, because we don't want some plosives. Also, I have my trusted headphones so we can monitor the sound. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think? We have a very good healthy spot for the levels. I'm watching the levels right now, -12, which is the perfect spot to be. So this is a Tank 3 with some EQ added. So let's hear the RE20 again, and we're gonna switch to see if there's any difference. Tank 3, you're listening right now. And now your favorite RE20, ladies and gentlemen. Do you hear any difference with the Tank 3 and the RE20? Let me know in the comments below. I know that we're not gonna be able to make exactly the same sound as the RE20, but if we can get a little bit closer, that's a success. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? I should stop spinning. But this is the RE20, no EQ added. This is the raw audio from the box. And now let's add again the Tank 3. Shall we? And once again, this is the Tank 3 connected to the Vocaster 1 with a preset. So we have a EQ added to this interesting microphone from Fifine. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? Can we get closer to the RE20 just a tiny bit? If you can do that, this is gonna be very, very good. So let me know in the comments down below. RE20 is a very popular microphone. This microphone costs $100. And if you can get closer to the RE20, I think this is gonna be interesting, I believe, for many people. So let me know, what do you think? Please make sure you use a headset when you watch this video. So now RE20. And now this is the RE20, surprise, surprise. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think about these two microphones? $500 microphone with a $100 microphone. I know this is not a real comparison, I believe, for many people, but I think it's interesting to see your perspective and your thoughts about the two microphones that we have here. RE20, no EQ, straight from the box. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? And I hope you can subscribe and like. And I'm out. See you next time. And the sun is going. Now it's getting dark.